Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. I would like to start off today by saying thank you very much. Syrian Eats has reached 1,000 subscribers and I am very excited. My recipe today is a red velvet chocolate chip bundt cake with cream cheese icing. This cake is so fluffy and chocolatey, it is perfect for any occasion and it's so easy to make. Start out by adding half a cup of room temperature butter. Then add half a box of red velvet cake mix, and then we're going to save the remaining half after we add our wet ingredients. Then I added half a cup of milk. Add 3 large room temperature eggs. Then add 3/4 of a cup of plain yogurt. Add the second half of the red velvet cake mix. And now add 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. I used the light mayo. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Beat the batter well on high for about 2 minutes. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now add half a cup of chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet, milk chocolate, or dark chocolate, whatever you prefer. Spray or brush some butter on your bundt pan. Add your batter to your pan and spread evenly. Bake your cake at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Now, while our cake is baking, let's make our cream cheese frosting. I added half a cup of room temperature butter and 1 block of room temperature cream cheese. Beat them well for about 3 minutes until there's no lumps and you have a creamy consistency. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to reserve the other teaspoon till the end. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now slowly work in 3½ cups of powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar. Add a pinch of salt and beat on high. Add your remaining teaspoon of heavy whipping cream and turn your mixer up to high speed and mix for about 3 minutes until your icing is creamy. This will be the consistency of the icing when it's ready. Put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before icing the cake. When your knife or fork comes out clean, it means your cake is now ready. Allow your cake to cool to room temperature before icing. Get a piping bag and start icing your cake. This cake is served best refrigerated before serving. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to get the latest recipes, like my page on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram.